5 Best Wet Mop for Hardwood Floors Reviews. Number 1. Microfiber Mop Floor Cleaning System. This cleaning mop is durable and is going to last long. Its long handle is made of aluminum alloy, the mop head with metal, and the pads are soft but firm on the dirt. With few swipes, your hardwood floors will be clean of debris. You get 2 microfiber pads and 2 scrub pads with it. The design of the mop pad is such that picking up pet hair, dust, and debris is easy and quick. Wash the microfiber pads after every use up to 100 times and reuse them. These are eco-friendly, and you can wash them in the machine. So, safe and hassle-free. Its 360-degree spin head reaches tightest corners, under furniture, and even baseboards to clean the dust. Number 2. SWiffer Sweeper Cleaner Dry and Wet Mop Starter Kit for cleaning hardwood and floors. Those of you who are okay with not reusing the mop pads but want a cleaner that works, this one is an excellent choice for you. Reach the tough-to-reach spot with ease with its swivel mop head. When you wet mop, the thick pad traps the dirt in the cloth and keeps it locked in it. So, once swept, the damp and sticky dirt does not spread all over the floor and stains it. For dusting, you get 7 dry pads. Dump them once used. Refills are easily available in the market. For wet mopping, you get 3 wet pads. They are tough on grime. All these pads have no scent on them. If you are thinking of traveling with it, then it is easy to transport. You do not have to carry the long pole with you. Just disassemble it into 4 parts and pack it in a bag. Number 3. Cedar Easy Ring Microfiber Spin Mop. Easy Ring is the best wet mop for tile and hardwood floors. It is easy, looks cool, and works even cooler. You have a wide bucket with a foot pedal and a mop. Inside the bucket, you have a spinner that strains water and dries the mop head. Wet mopping can be harmful to hardwoods. So, mops that are too damp are not a good choice. This one wrings water thoroughly to dry the microfiber. The mop head in it is different because it has a triangular design. Instead of pads, it has thick microfiber threads. The fiber does deep cleaning like no other. To wash the dirt, throw it in the machine after detaching it from the mop head. For hands-free wringing, put the microfiber in the bucket and then at once on the spinner. Start foot pedaling. The spinner with the mop head will start spinning in speed.
We like to play crocodile on the floor. Cedar Easy Ring removes over 99% of bacteria, even with just water, and rings with the press of a pedal. Easy Ring. Easy and truly clean floors.
Try it, you'll see.
Also discover the Cedar Pro Mist Max for the fastest, everyday cleaning. Cedar, it feels great to feel at home.
Number 4. Tethys Flat Floor Mop and Bucket Set for Professional Home Floor Cleaning System. This flat floor mop comes with a distinct water bucket. You get 2 parts in the bucket, one for dry and the other for wet use. The bucket has a comb type of thing that collects hair and wool without much effort. So, after dusting, you can clean the microfiber pads without even touching it. For wet mopping, just soak the mop in the water. Dry it in the narrow groove. It dries pretty quick. In only 3 attempts, it will almost dry fully. You do not have to use your hand while dusting or wringing. Drain the water with the 2 holes at the bottom of the bucket. It has a mop head that turns 280 degrees. Take it to whatever angle you want that to with ease. You can reach under the furniture and corners quite easily without kneeling or sitting on the floor. Picking up the hair, dirt, and debris was never this easy. Number 5. Linkyo Microfiber Hardwood Floor Mop with 3 flat mop pads. Linkyo is a typical mop with a tinge of newness. It comes with 2 two-sided microfiber cloths and a regular pad. You are getting 2 types of pads in 1 pad. Dust with the soft pad and go hard on the grime with the scrub. It is a sturdy mop, and its components are made of high-grade material. The aluminum mop frame with stainless steel handle has sturdy ABS clips to clip on the pads. Reach the corners and beneath furniture with its swivel head. The head turns a full 360 degrees. If you are tall, then extend the pole as it reaches almost 6 feet. Otherwise, you can mop with the regular size without kneeling, bending, or sitting. Reaching and dusting the high corners of the ceiling is easier when you have this mop.